Hello everyone, welcome back to Nightskaper. Today we're going to be unboxing, setting up, and doing a demo of the Goblin Thief from Home Depot. This is actually the first Home Depot animatronic that I've bought. I was thinking about getting the Jester last year, however, I couldn't find him at any of the stores. This is actually the last one that they sold, and I bought it in mid-October. We had to go get it from Huntington Beach, Huntington Park. So anyway, here we go. This is actually my number one favorite animatronic of the entire year. Let's go ahead and open them up. Which is strange because I'm not a really big fan of the Techie Toys props. I feel like they're poorly detailed and there's not enough movement. There's too much music. It's not very exciting, and it's not that new, and it's delicate and everything, but it's still, so I'm quite surprised that this is my favorite. But let's open him up. I was too lazy to get scissors. I never prepare for these things. Okay. Uh-oh. It's a dent in his head. I might need to fix that. It's like some weird difficulty with the camera, so I ended the video. I'll get it. That's weird. When that happens. I've already got it looked at. I can't remember what they said. So anyway, so this is all just one piece. The head and the shirt. So I think he's really cool. He's actually pretty well detailed. So I really like him. And yes, you now have noticed that I am actually going to be doing videos throughout the year, not just during the Halloween season. But still, the Halloween season is going to be when majority of my videos are uploaded. Let's hang out of the box here. Oh, snapped right off. Oh well, I'll fix that later. I'm actually not too surprised. It's actually getting really loose. Oh, this popped off too. Okay, this needs quite the gluing action. I'm gonna do that later. Sorry about her. There's the adapter. Okay, one beat up adapter box. Stuff up here. Ew, it's greasy. And we got these two short poles. Now you may be asking, why do we need this? You'll see why in a minute. It's actually I'll tell you right now, it's to hold the basket up. If you don't have the goblin. Alright, so there's everything. Okay, that is not everything. Hold on. Where are the instructions? Instructions are, oh, here they are. I lost the instructions. I normally remember how to set them up, so I don't normally need instructions, but it's been a little bit since I've had this guy up. It's been like about 4 months so yeah, whatever. Okay, let's get to the setup. Okay, so it's been about 20 minutes. It does say on the box that the approximate time it takes to set up is 15 minutes, and that's how long it took me the first time I set them up in October. I was like kind of having some trouble with the basket, so that's why it took so long. So let's see if he works. If he still works. Can they connect that wire? Oh wait, I think this happened last year. This happened during the holiday season.
I have such delights for you. Step up and take a look. You will be the next that I will cook.
It's fine. Okay, good. He's not having the eye problem right now. But his eyes, like at the end of his phrase, they would like kind of dim, and then they would go back up, and then when his audio was over, they would just shut off. It's covered. He's pretty loud inside, but I had him outside last year, and it was really quiet. So the thing that I kind of worry about Home Depot.
Yes, come closer. But watch your step, or you will be the next that I collect.
Okay, so there you go. Home Depot Goblin. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe and like and all the other YouTube whatever stuff. But thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. And happy early Valentine's Day. Bye.
I have such delights for you. Step up and take a look. You will be the next that I will cook.